Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram notifications not working. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, not forget to subscribe and leave a like. So now let's proceed with our tutorial. So from here, we will need to go to the Telegram. After that, we need to go to settings so we can set up our notifications. So from here, we find settings and basically you will find this notification and sound in this settings section. We click on it and from here, you will find all the type of notifications. So you will need to make sure that you have the desired notification enabled. So if you want private chats that will be on the push notification or that will be showing, make sure that they are enabled. And if you want groups or channel stories or any type of notification, make sure that they are enabled. This is the first step. After that, go to the calls, and those are just some other kind of notifications, and here you will find the in-app notification. You will find the in-app sound and you can enable them too. And after that, you will be needing to go to the notification settings of your device now. So after you make sure that notification of the software or the app is on, make sure to go to the settings of your mobile. After that, go to notification. It can be either for iOS or even for any version of Android. You go to notification, and after that, go for notification and make sure that Telegram is on. Now you click on it. So here you will need also to make sure that all the notifications are on so you can enable them and that you have the notifications that will be available for your app. And this should solve your problem. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.